Hey there, content creators. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Weekly Bytes. Now, my name is Valentine Ohu. As you know, every week I come here to share great tips, creative tips using AI to enhance your creative style and just make your work easier. Now, get ready today to unlock the power of AI in content creation because today we're diving into the world of AI-powered tools that will take your creativity to new heights. Last week, I spoke about, how you're going to make your work easier, how you're going to take advantage of AI predictive text or predictive content. Now, before we begin today, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Set your notification timer, let everybody know that you're watching this and share with your friends. Don't be stingy about it and follow me. All right, let's get started. We all know that creating captivating content takes time, right? It takes time, it takes effort. Well, imagine having a virtual assistant by your side. Well, a personal assistant, more like it, because a virtual assistant, you don't get to see them. Now, imagine having a personal assistant beside you all the time, guiding you through the editing process and suggesting incredible enhancements that you can add to your content, to your video, to make it even better. That's exactly where AI-powered video editing tools come into play. How do I go about this, you ask me? I'll tell you what. You remember, or Adobe Premiere Pro, right? It's a video editing tool that most video editors actually use. People swear by it because arguably it's one of the best video editing tools in the world. Adobe Premiere Pro, for instance, is like having a brilliant co-editor who understands your creative vision. This powerful tool uses AI algorithms now. If you're an Adobe fan, you'll notice that they're releasing Adobe versions, right? Some people say it's Adobe, some people say it's Adobe, whichever you call it, we're talking about the same program. The versions they're releasing now are the beta versions. You notice that they're actually releasing these beta versions for people to actually climb on and try out new tools because they're using AI generative content or AI predictive text or AI generative feel or something like that. Yeah, generative feel, FIL. For Premiere Pro, for Photoshop, for Lightroom, they're actually infusing all these things. You can use these tools to analyze your footage, detect key moments. A key example in Premiere Pro is before you used to edit and cut, do jump cuts, right? And cut out some parts that you didn't want just on the timeline itself. But now, what that does with the better version is that you can, make those chops right from your transcripts. Try it. That's what AI does. And it helps you suggest the best cuts and transition to bring your story to life. It's like having a personal editing guru right at your fingertips. And my friends, it's about working smart these days. We don't want to work too hard because time is hard. Nigeria is hard. But wait, there's more. AI isn't just limited to video editing. It can also work its magic in other aspects of content creation. This brings me nicely to talk about AI generative text. The last time I gave you an example with Grammarly and how you can also type on your phone. For instance, if you have Grammarly installed on your phone or your computer and you're trying to type in something and you're not sure if you sound smart or the English you used was grammatically correct, you can do grammar check. Grammarly can actually follow you step by step. And I told you the last time that I've been using it for over 3 years, so it's still very useful today. That's an AI example for generative text. Imagine having a helping hand to supercharge your writing and ideation process. That fear you had of writing articles, it will vanish. Now let me introduce you to another thing you all are very familiar with, ChatGPT. They had the GPT-3 model, now they have the GPT-4 model, which is more advanced. It's a language model that can generate text based on prompts, just like typing into Google search or any other search. I know Google actually released their Bing version. There's also a Llama version that Microsoft is collaborating with Apple to release, and I hear it's faster than ChatGPT, so you should check it out. Whether you need catchy headlines, engaging blog intros, or even entire paragraphs, GPT-4, as well as other examples like Llama and Bing, can provide creative suggestions to kickstart your creative and writing process. It's like having a never-ending source of inspiration right at your fingertips. And there you have it, my friends. Every week I'll be bringing you this kind of useful tips. So if you're a fellow creator like me, AI-powered tools are revolutionizing the content creation landscape, and you get to stay ahead of the curve. It helps you bring out your creative visions, bring them to life faster than you can think or pronounce your name, with greater speed and efficiency. So why not just give them a try? Be smart and save yourself some stress. When you want to write that email next, call AI. It will help you check for grammar. So instead of, some people, you can make mistakes in emails and you never really see it because you're probably thinking faster than you're writing. AI can spot those mistakes that you would have missed. So explore these tools, experiment with these features, tinker with them, make mistakes, start again. Let your creativity soar. And then join me next week. Tell me the AI tool you're using now to supercharge your creating process or your creative process. Keep innovating, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm Valentine. Thank you for watching.